you send an email with each package and what each one does and delivers and kind of the proposal for us so
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can review
definitely,
it?
definitely. This is Paravi, Mr. Alif, and me. We are team member, and we work for YouTube marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member, Mr. Alif, audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues, and he already sent you a screenshot mentioning the problem what he found. So, if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel also possible to grow. So, if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Sure, we've had our channel for over 10 years and we've got about 20,000, 19.8 thousand subscribers. And, we, of course, after that long, it's more difficult to continue to make new and new content all the time, but we work at it. And we're seeing that YouTube helps us out in the way that it brings in new people to our business from outside of our regular mailing list. So if we can reach more people, that's always interesting to us.
Okay, I see. So definitely, if you give concentration on YouTube content creations, then you can get more new audience to your channel. Definitely.
Mhm. Yes.
So we can help you to grow your YouTube channel. At first, you have to make sure some things like you have to create quality content and you have to put more informations than your competitor, and you have to maintain consistency also. If you maintain consistency, then YouTube algorithm loves your content and they will give you extra priority. And beside this, you have to do optimizations like you have to change your metadata, and you have to optimize your video title tags and descriptions, and you also research high volume rank tags also. So as a YouTube growth expert, we can help you all of them. At first, we will optimize your video metadata and we will research high volume rank tags, and then we will promote your videos according to your targeted audience. And for that work, mainly we provide two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video, including promotions, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we'll optimize your 30 video and it costs 300 USD and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
Is that per video or how does that work? Per month or what?
First one is starter package. In starter package, we'll optimize your 10 video and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work.
For 10 videos.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the other one?
Other one is standard package. In standard package, we will optimize you 30 video and it costs 300 USD and it takes 30 days to deliver the work.
Okay. I think the best thing to do is to email it over. Can you send an email with each package and what each one does and delivers and kind of the proposal for us so
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can review
definitely,
it?
definitely. After finishes
What
the
we're
meeting,
doing right now is it's obviously for us it's coming into the new year. So we are looking at different options and ideas, and then we put it together for our planning meeting after the new year, and then we decide which direction we want to go. We're just a couple days away from our Christmas holiday, and then we have a bit of a break until the January 1st. And then after January 1st, we have a couple of planning meetings coming up where we decide as a business what direction we want to go into and through the new year. And if you if you send over your proposal options now, we will put that in the deck. So when we have our meetings, we can review them and discuss them um, as we're heading into the new year. That's why we're timing this. The
yeah,
timing is good.
sounds good. Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
No problem. After finishing the meeting, our team member, Mr. Alif, will send all of our price package and an offer for our work. So at first, I elaborate each of the things. No problem. Then we will send you a written offer. No problem. So at first, our work starting system is if you hire us. Then we have two options to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. You no need to nothing. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links, 10 or 30 video links to us. Then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. This is the method to start the work. And our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay upfront 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory. We are from Bangladesh. So that is all about our price package and each of the things. But our main focus is our client satisfaction. We believe that if we provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. We believe it, and this is our profession. We work 100% organically and honestly. So when we do SEO optimizations, so result will not come overnight, because we will work 100% organically. It takes some times. So beside SEO and promotions, you have to focus on your content creations. Like you have to create eye catchy thumbnail, you have to create attractive and informative content, and then you have to make consistency also. And beside this, when we do SEO and optimizations, then gradually your channel will grow. And we till now we grow 700 plus channel all around the world. So we will guide you and we will research your competitor, and we will suggest you what should you do and what should not to do. So after finishing the meeting, our team member Mr. Alif will send you an offer mentioning our price package and work method, each of the things. And I think in new year we can start with you and hope to work with you for a long time also.
That would be great. We would really appreciate if you send over an email with all kind of the details and everything in there, and then we can have it to review and discuss, and then we can reach back out after the new year and see what we've decided.
Yeah, sounds good.
I have
So
one quick question.
yeah, please.
My question is, you keep mentioning consistency, which Dean agrees with, and I'm wondering what your thought is on an appropriate consistency for putting out fresh content.
Yeah, appropriate consistency is if you upload on Saturday, then you have to upload next video on the next Saturday, and next video on next Saturday. But
Weekly.
yeah, weekly. But if you upload twice in a week, then if you suppose upload your videos Thursday and Saturday, then you have to maintain this consistency.
Okay.
YouTube algorithm love this type of things.
If it's the same day of the week, same time,
Yeah.
consistently.
And
And then
you
that
have
helps
to
you get seen.
yeah, you also have to research which time is your active time. Like your audience, when your audience is most audience is active, then you have to publish on that time.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I have a
welcome.
question.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
go for it.
When you say you are promoting it, what do you mean? Are you just going to backlink our videos on SEO channels, or are you, because you mentioned that you do it organically, and by organically, I understand organic is just backlinking because you're not going for paid media. So what do you exactly do?
We will optimize at first, and then we will share this video to your targeted audience based Facebook group, Reddit group, and any other social media platform.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it sounds good. I think if you can put everything together in an email. You have my email because Alif, that's how he contacted me via email. So he can send over an email with all the details, costs, and everything on there. What we get for what we pay, all those things. More info, the better, and that way we can review it all and just decide when we. What we're doing right now is we've got some meetings after the new year planned in our office to decide on what programs we want to push through the new year.
Okay. So I have one things need to clear. When we do optimizations and promotions related work, the result will not come overnight. I need to make sure these things, because we will work
You know
100%
that.
organically. So when you maintain all of the things and when we do optimizations and promotions, then gradually your video will start to getting more views and subscribers. And your channel will on top. When someone search related to your focusing keyword, then your video will go on top, but it not in a day or not in a overnight. It takes some times.
Of course, we know that. One question I would have is, based on YouTube and the algorithms, would we be able to focus on, because we're based in the United States, would we be able to to make sure? I know when I'm in Europe, I get different things in Europe and different things when I'm in Asia. Will we be able to focus
But
on the marketing
YouTube algorithm works similarly for all of the locations. Their algorithm not different from Asia to Europe. The algorithm is similar. When we do work according to our their rules and regulations, then definitely it will rank and it will works. So further communication will go through your Gmail, and after finishing the meeting, our team member will send you an offer and hope to work with you for the next year, and happy new year for 2026, and bye for now.
Bye bye. Thanks.
Bye.